my wellness morning routine is just as important to me as my morning skincare routine. So I have my sunscreen on, and then in the morning, I don't start my day with coffee. I've been doing that for the last 10 years, and it really damaged my hormone balance. So on an empty stomach, no coffee, but I always go in with an elixir. This is my hormonal elixir blend, which is launching soon. I always start my day with a warm cup of tea, and then I'll go in with probiotics. I have 1 or 2 probiotics. This is seed. I've been taking it for years. Love it. And I usually go in with like a multivitamin. This is from Korea, but as you see, like I'm completely almost out of this. So I actually just discovered them, and it's a multivitamin that's in liquid form, and apparently if it's in liquid form it can absorb into your body and your blood faster. So I'm just gonna take like 1 to 2 tablespoons of this. Especially when we're so busy, we don't get all the essential vitamins we need from food on a daily basis. So this has vitamin A, C, E, D, everything that you need in a liquid form to absorb straight into your body. So I take that in the morning now, take a supplement, and then after all that, I don't really like to intermittent fast anymore because I felt like that led me to binge eat a lot more. So now I just have like a healthy breakfast. This is from Sakara. For this week, it's a mango tapioca pudding.